Hey, this is Patrick Murphy-Racey in the Valley of Fire. It's a state park in Nevada. It's about, Nevada. It's probably 50 miles from downtown Las Vegas Strip. I've been out here, this is my second day of 5 days of shooting out here, and I'm having a blast because this is just, it's overwhelming, the beauty. It's a hugely target-rich environment. Everywhere you look, there's a picture to be made. In all directions, honestly. But every time you turn a corner in the Valley of Fire, and it's a real twisty road, there's a picture, there's a picture, there's a picture, there's a picture everywhere. If you can't come here and make beautiful photographs, have a total landscape photography portfolio, then you shouldn't be taking pictures at all. So I'm hoping that some of you might be enticed to come with me to a workshop here next year. It'll be in 2024. I'm really excited about this, and I'm hoping that some of you will join me. I'd like to talk more, but the light is changing all the time, and I've got to go. So thanks for watching.